We get a lot of people coming in to this lovely place through the door each week. And how they would describe themselves is wide and varied. A dabbler, play around with. I enjoy it, but I'm not that good. But you know what? One word is scarcely heard in these four walls, and that's the word artist. For some reason, we've created an environment where people are scared to use the word artist to describe their creative endeavours. It's as if it's only allowed, a label only permitted for the elite, those wonderful masters of art who make their living through the sale of their work. Is that true? No, not at all. A dictionary defines the word artist as someone who makes art. Do you make art? Yes, thought so. Then you are an artist. Now immediately, well, I'm not a very good artist, or no, I'm not a professional artist, or you know, I'm quite bad, but I enjoy doing it. The words that we put either before or after artist is not up to us to decide. Whether you're a good artist, a bad artist, a professional artist, an amateur artist, doesn't matter. You're an artist. Those words that come before it are up to people who view our work. They decide if we're a good artist or not us. We just enjoy making art, and we enjoy the fruits of our labour. Because what I've found over the decades I've been doing this is that one person's rubbish art is another person's masterpiece. I've seen works in the galleries that I've operated that some would say, oh, I wouldn't hang that in the downstairs toilet. And then 2 days later, someone comes and it's exactly what they're looking for their mantelpiece, and they're happy to pay the price for it. It's very subjective art, and we need to get over the terminology that we use. The label artist is not just for those amazing ones that we fawn over and wish we could be like. We are artists. We are makers. Don't be scared to use that word. Please don't minimalize your skill and ability by trying to shufty around using that word and saying, oh, I'll just dabble a little bit, or I enjoy myself. If you make art, you are an artist. Please never forget that, and please start using it when you describe yourself and what you do. Say, I'm an artist, and this is my art, and I've really loved creating it. That's all you need to do. Let the other person decide what they think of it. Please start using the word artist to describe yourself. You'll feel so much better for it. Have a go.